David was the youngest, overlooked even by his own father. But God saw his heart. While tending sheep, he worshipped in secret, slaying lions and bears with courage. God told Samuel, "People look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart." 1 Samuel 16 verse 7. He defeated Goliath with a sling, ran for his life from Saul, and sinned deeply, yet always returned to God. David's psalms poured out raw, honest worship. He wasn't perfect, but he was passionate. A warrior, a poet, a king, and a man after God's own heart. Lord, make my heart soft toward you. Like David, help me worship in my weakness and trust you in every battle. Amen.